Q3181-2. Who is responsible for ensuring appropriate entries are made in maintenance records indicating the aircraft has been approved for return to service? A. Owner or operator. B. Certified mechanic. C. Repair station. The correct answer is A. Once maintenance or repairs have been completed on an aircraft, it is the responsibility of the owner or operator to ensure that the appropriate entries are made in the aircraft's maintenance records. These entries should document the details of the maintenance or repair work performed, including any inspections, parts replacements, or repairs made, as well as the date of completion and the signature of the individual approving the aircraft for return to service. While a certified mechanic or a repair station may perform the maintenance or repair work, it is ultimately the responsibility of the owner or operator to oversee the process and ensure that the necessary entries are made in the maintenance records. This helps to ensure the airworthiness of the aircraft and maintain a comprehensive maintenance history. 3182. Completion of an annual condition inspection and the return of the aircraft to service should always be indicated by A. The relicensing date on the registration certificate. B. An appropriate notation in the aircraft maintenance records. C. An inspection sticker placed on the instrument panel that lists the annual inspection completion date. The correct answer is B. After completing the annual condition inspection, it is important to document this in the aircraft maintenance records. An entry should be made to indicate that the inspection has been completed, including the date of completion, the signature of the person performing the inspection, and any additional notes or findings. This entry serves as a record of compliance with the regulatory requirements and helps to maintain a comprehensive maintenance history for the aircraft. While other documents, such as the registration certificate, may contain important information about the aircraft's airworthiness, the aircraft maintenance records are specifically designated for recording maintenance activities, inspections, and repairs. Therefore, an appropriate notation in the maintenance records is the primary means of indicating the completion of an annual condition inspection and the return of the aircraft to service. 3185. An aircraft's annual condition inspection was performed on July 12th this year. The next annual inspection will be due no later than A. July 1st next year. B. July 13th next year. C. July 31st next year. The correct answer is C. According to Federal Aviation Regulations, FAR, an aircraft's annual inspection is required to be performed within the 12 calendar month period following the previous annual inspection. The specific date of the annual inspection becomes the reference point for determining the next inspection due date. In this case, since the annual inspection was performed on July 12th, the next inspection will be due no later than July 31st of the following year. This allows for a full 12-month period for the completion of the subsequent annual inspection. 3186. To determine the expiration date of the last annual aircraft inspection, a person should refer to the A. Airworthiness certificate. B. Registration certificate. C. Aircraft maintenance records. The correct answer is C. The aircraft maintenance records contain a record of all inspections, including the annual inspection. The expiration date of the last annual inspection can be found by reviewing the entries in the aircraft maintenance records. These records provide a comprehensive history of the maintenance and inspections performed on the aircraft, including the dates of each inspection. By referring to the maintenance records, one can determine when the last annual inspection was completed and when the next inspection will be due. 3188. What aircraft inspections are required for rental aircraft that are also used for flight instruction? A. Annual condition and 100-hour inspections. B. Biannual condition and 100-hour inspections. C. Annual condition and 50-hour inspections. The correct answer is A. The annual condition inspection is required by regulation and must be performed by an authorized aircraft maintenance technician. It is a comprehensive inspection of the aircraft's airframe, engine, systems, and components to ensure that it is in an airworthy condition. In addition to the annual inspection, rental aircraft used for flight instruction are also subject to the 100-hour inspection requirement. The 100-hour inspection is another comprehensive inspection that must be performed by an authorized aircraft maintenance technician. It is similar to the annual inspection but must be conducted every 100 hours of aircraft operation or every 12 calendar months, whichever comes first. Both inspections are important for ensuring the safety and airworthiness of the aircraft, especially considering their dual role in rental operations and flight instruction.